I'm at this park thing, and I'm feeding these ducks, and they keep running away from me. Watch. I'm gonna crawl on the ground. It's spider web. Is that a dragonfly? It scares me. Oh, what was that? It's a dragonfly. Oh my gosh. Snake? That is a stick. Ew. I would never be able to survive camping. I would die. Mom! It's all out to get me. Wait!
It was 1989, my thoughts were short, my hair was long, caught somewhere between a boy and man. She was 17 and she was far from in between. It was summertime in northern Michigan. Splashing through the sandbar, talking by the campfire. It's the simple things in life, like when and where. We didn't have no internet, but man, I never will forget.
That was the end of my journey in the woods. Nature, like geese, ducks, goose, same thing. Join me next time.